So it starts with Gmail trigger where we get the list or the email that we want to, reply to, and it fetches every minute. So this in production will be good. After that, there is a text classifier which uses an open router chat model or any AI model in order to classify the text into different categories. Every different category has a different pathway that you can go to, and you can sit in the description here, and the AI will figure it out which category it lies in. After figuring out which category it lies in, it forwards it to the AI agent. The AI agent is basically going to look at the whole message and act as a system. And this is a system prompt which makes it act as an assistant, which replies in a certain way. You can have your own prompt. The only thing that we have to manage here is get the snippet and paste it here. After that, you have to it gets to work using the brain, which is we have OpenAI GPT 4.1 mini. And using this brain, what it's going to do is it's going to go into the Pinecone vector storage. So it's going to retrieve the documents I have in my Pinecone, which is titled for the index as Zen10, and the namespace in order which I have created it is in the namespace of CV. So it would go and look at the document, which is nothing but my resume, and then fetch details from there. And once it has fetched details from there, it will be adding a label to the message. Um this add label, and then it will reply. So let's test it. It has now processed the message. Now it will add the label, and we are set to go for replying. And as you can see, I have received the reply here that hello, thank you for reaching out. Arpan has relevant experience, he has technical skills. So it is giving everything in bullet points, just like I said. And just like I said, best regards, Emily from Stone Cyborg. That is the agency that I am planning to start. So it's amazing that it can accomplish this, and if you put into production, then it will surely make us, more efficient and scalable with time. The main thing that I would take away from this is tweak it yourself, see why it's not happening or why it's happening, go deeper into it than just like on the surface level. And this is one of the simplest workflows that you can ever have. So thank you, and subscribe and like.